Finding additional mathematics difficult? Don't worry, you can still improve. Hi, I'm Terry. With over 25 years of experience, I've helped many students move from weak foundation to strong result in SPM at Maths. Express Notes will help you revise the most important concept step by step. Today we'll focus on chapter 9.3, the area of triangle. Let's get started. Okay, deriving and using formula area triangle. Now, actually, the deriving part I've already explained to you earlier, right? So we don't have to do this. I don't want to show you this. Just remember the formula is half AB sine C. Very simple. Now, let me give you one example how to use this. In this triangle here, in this diagram here, they are given as CDE, DEF, and they are equal angle. Okay, and they have equal area. Sorry. You're first finding area of triangle CDE. So for CDE is very simple. I think we can just use half AB sine C, 11, 12, sine 42. Okay, very simple. Use your calculator. Half or 0.5 times 11 times 12 times sine 42. So what do you get here? 44.16. You can use more decimal point, 44.16. Now, next, they say this too. Okay, maybe I use one more decimal point. It's 44.1626 or 163 lah. Yeah, you round off is 44.16. Okay, this one is 4 SF. Okay, or if you want to write 26 also can, up to you. You want to write the whole thing also can. 44.1626 if you want. They say the area are equal. Now for the second one, what I don't know is this angle. I don't know the obtuse angle of EDF. I want to find this angle. I know this is the length of both sides, 11 and 9. Take sine of EDF. The result is still 44.1626. If you kiasu, you want to write the whole thing, go ahead. Sometimes it does affect the answer. If you use 44.16, sometimes the answer may be a bit different. But usually, if you just use the result from part A, it's okay. Right? It doesn't matter. If you use the result from the earlier part, it's accepted. So let me do this. Take this answer times 2, divide 11, divide by 9, whatever I get, shift sign, answer equals. Okay, because the question say obtuse angle, be careful. You cannot take 63.15. You need to take what? Your EDF should be 180 minus 63.15. In the event that you have obtuse, right, always remember to do 180 minus. So this will be 116.85. Okay, let me double check. Now, what if you guys use 44.16? Will I get a different answer? You times 2, divide 11, divide by 9. Okay, whatever I get, shift sign, answer equals. You will get a slightly different answer because you notice that as I do 180 minus, you get 86. Yeah. Okay. 116.86. A slight difference in answer, but it's all right. Okay. In a given diagram, length of AB is given, AC given, area triangle is 18. Find CAB. CAB is this angle. So let's use half AB sine C. Everybody, half AB sine C. Your C is angle CAB. The result is 18. Okay. Let's find this angle first. CAB. I will take 18. 18 times 2. Divide 7, divide 8.5. Whatever we get, shift sign, answer equals 37.23. Yeah, 37.23. Now that you know this angle, 37.23, right? We know we had to find length of BC. BC is opposite to this angle. So which rule should I use? Sine or cosine? Cosine, cosine, because it's included angle. Yep. So we say BC square is 7 square plus 8.5 square minus 2, 7, 8.5 cos of the angle in between. So let's take 7 square plus 8.5 square minus 2 times 7 times 8.5 times cos 37.23. Okay, so whatever we get here, square root answer equals 5.148. Yeah, BC is 5.148. Okay, finally, I want to find angle ABC. So ABC is this angle, right? 5.148. So if as long as you have an angle opposite length, this is an unknown, we can use sine rule. Sine rule, sine angle ABC divide by 7 sine 37.23 divide 5.148. Okay, use your calculator. Sine 37.23 divide 5.148 multiply by 7. Whatever I get, shift sign, answer equals 55.35. 55.35. That's all. Heron's rule or Heron's formula is a case when you're given length of all three sides and you're finding the area. So number one, we find our semi-perimeter. Take your perimeter, half of it. That's semi-perimeter, call it S. And then take the difference between S and the length of each side. Multiply S again, take the square root. Yeah. Very, very unfortunate. This formula is not given. I don't know why. This formula is actually more complicated than half AB sine C, but it's not given in SPM. I don't know why. Okay. All right. So you need to know. Now let's look at one example. Very simple example from Heron's rule or Heron's formula. Take the perimeter, add together, divide by 2. So this is 11, right? 22 divided to 11. Take the difference between, first you write 11, then you take the difference between 11 and each side. Okay, use your calculator. We'll take 11, 11 minus 5, 11 minus 8, 11 minus 9. Whatever you get here, put a square root answer. You should get 19.90. Yeah, 19.90. So you combine all together, area triangle with sine rule, cosine rule. Okay, so first of all, we want to find obtuse angle ABC. They already said obtuse angle of ABE. Ayo, ABE. Not ABC. ABC is a straight line, right? ABE. So to find this obtuse angle, we need to use sine rule. Sine angle ABE divide by 7, sine 45 divide by 5. Now let's use our calculator. Sine 45 divide by 5 times 7. Whatever we get, shift sign, answer equals. Now we cannot take 81.87. Why? Because the question says is what? Obtuse, obtuse angle. So we should take 180 minus this. 180 minus this answer, 93.17. Yeah, 93.17. Okay, so if I know this is 93.17, I know the angle next to it should be 81.87. I'm supposed to find next the length of EC. Now, EC, I should use which rule here, everyone? What rule? Cosine rule. We've done so many times. I hope you guys are okay. Cosine rule, quite easy. EC square is 5 square, 8 square, 2 times 5 times 8, cos 81.87. So calculator, 5 square plus 8 square minus 2 times 5 times 8 times cos 81.87. So whatever we get here, oops, that's my mistake. Oh, extra multiplied. Whatever you get here, square root answer, 9.359. Yeah, 9.359. Okay, so once you got this, can you find the area of triangle CDE? Okay, if this is 9.359, we can use Heron's law because you're given length of all three sides, right? So let's use Heron's law. Your semi-perimeter is 4 plus 6 plus 9.359 divide by 2. So if you add this up, this is actually 10 plus 9.359, right? Divide by 2. Maybe we use one more decimal point, 9.6795. 9.6795. Okay. Then we take the square root of 9.6795. Take the difference. You minus the first side, which is 4. 9.6795 minus the second side, which is 6. And then 9.6795 minus the third side, 9.359. Okay, now please use your calculator answer button. Otherwise, you have to type a lot. So I don't want to type a lot of things. I know this figure already, right? I use this as my answer button. Okay,
So square root of answer, bracket, answer minus 4. Oh, I wrote this wrongly, 98.13. Is that so? Okay, sorry, 98.13. Okay, I made a mistake here when I type in my EC. So it affects the whole thing here. Sorry, my EC is different value. Okay, sorry, let me do again. My EC value when I type in is wrong, is 5 square plus 8 square minus 2 times 5 times 8 times cos 81.87. Okay, whatever you get here, square root answer equals 8.814. 0.814. So you add this together, 8.814. You need to plus with 10. Yeah, I put 10 plus 8.814. Whatever you get, divide by 2. I should have 9.407. Okay, the 9.407 is your semi-perimeter. You take the difference with 4 and 6 and 9 point, this is not 9, yeah, this is 8.814. So come, let's count. This will be square root, answer, open bracket, answer minus 4, then answer minus 6, and answer minus 8.814. Okay, guys, 10.14, correct? Okay, next one, solving 2D problem. This one involving ambiguity. Example number 10. Okay, so first you have a trapezium, PQRS, where PS is parallel to QR. And the length of PQ is 6.4. Okay, I think, guys, sorry, I don't know why. Maybe my staff never checked all this. I asked them to check, they didn't check. Follow the diagram, not the question. Because everything based on my diagram. I somehow, when I write the question, I keep changing my mind, because if I get an ugly number, I try to change to a nice number. So this one should be 6.4. This one should be 8.1, 11.5, and SR is the same. SR is 7.4. Okay, right. So we are supposed to find angle PSQ. Okay, so guys, first part, angle PSQ. We use sine. Angle PSQ divide by, okay, sorry, we don't use sine. You're given all three sides, we should use cosine, sorry. Use the second version for cosine rule. PSQ, your AB will be 8.1, 11.5 minus 6.4. You divide by 2 times 8.1, 11.5. So angle PSQ is therefore, use your calculator here, 8.1 plus 11.5 minus 6.4, divide 2 times 8.1 times 11.5. So whatever we get here, shift cos answer equals 32.63. Okay, so next, I want to find obtuse angle of SPQ. Okay, to find obtuse angle SPQ, we can use sine rule here. Sine angle SPQ divide by, okay, actually this SR supposed not given, SR not given, sorry. SPQ divide by opposite side, 11.5 equals sine 32.63 divide 6.4. Okay, use your calculator. Sine 32.63 divide 6.4 multiply by 11.5. Whatever we get, shift sine answer equals 75.67. SPQ is 75.67. Okay, so once you know, we cannot take this though. We need to do 180 minus, because it's obtuse, everyone. Answer is 104.33. Okay, next, find the length of SR. To find the length of SR, because we know this is a trapezium, we can use sine rule or cosine rule, up to you. I think we use sine rule. Okay, because I'm finding this length, I need more information. I need to find this angle first. This angle here, Or should I do a zigzag? Can you see this is alternate angle? Look at this. Up. This is an alternate angle, right? Look at this. Right. So what is this angle? 32.63. 32.63. So I need to use sine rule again, right? Can you see sine rule again? So to find SR, we divide sine 32.63. You equate with sine 11.5 divide sine 128. Okay, use your calculator. 11.5 divide sine 128. Then you multiply sine 32.63. Okay, whatever you get. So SR 7.869. Yeah, SR is 7.869. Okay, now next they say draw another triangle QRS such that SR equals SR prime. And the length of QS, S angle SQR remains unchanged. So that means we have to flip it outside, right? Yeah, remember, this is already obtuse. Let me move out a bit. I need to flip it outside. Extend this line a little bit. Okay, because your SR equals SR prime. That means SR should be here, right? Same length, right? Okay, these two must look about the same length. And you want to maintain the length of SQ, right? SQ doesn't change. SQ here. You want to maintain this angle, SQR doesn't change. So your triangle, I know it looks a bit weird because it's in this orientation here. Okay, let me just redraw. Okay, the triangle should go like this. Change the orientation a bit, like this direction. Okay, this one should be here. And the third line should be here. So this is your SQR. All right, this length is 7.869. This is 11.5. This is the same angle as 32.63. So I'm done with the drawing. Next, calculate area of this triangle. Now, before you calculate this area, I hope you know that, okay, maybe I can make this a bit, this line should slant a little bit more because it doesn't look like it. I must make it look like, but my triangle a bit smaller. Okay, I must make it look like this. You see, this is 128. The angle next to it is 180 minus 128, 52, right? This one must be 52, right? Right. So this angle here is 52. Let me label my S here. This one, put a prime. Okay. Sorry, your prime is at R. Your prime is at R. Okay. So we need to find this angle. By the way, just so you know, your S R prime Q is 180 minus 128, which is 52. If this is 52, your R prime SQ will be 180 minus 52 minus 32.63. That will give us 96 or 95. 95.37. Am I right? 180 minus 52 minus 32.63. Correct? Now, once you know 95.37, to find your area, we just take half A, B, sine C. Okay, half AB sine C. So 0.5 times 11.5 times 7.869 times sine 95.37. So guys, 45.05. In a given diagram, triangle QRT lies within triangle PSR. Q is a midpoint, so these two are equal length. The length of PS is 12, SR is 10, QT is 4.5, TR is 7.5, and area of triangle PSR is given as 56. So first find angle PSR. Now, when you're given the area of triangle and you're finding this angle here, we can use what? Half AB sine C, right? Your AB you can put 10, 12, sine angle PSR. The result is 56. Find PSR. So let's take 56. 56. You multiply by 2, divide by 10, divide 12. Whatever I get here, shift sign, answer equals 68.96. Yeah, 68.96. Okay, so once you know this is 68.96, we can use cosine rule to find the length of PR. Okay, PR is opposite to this. So we say PR square is 10 square, 12 square, 2 times 10 times 12, cos 68.96. Okay, use your calculator. 10 square, 12 square, minus 2 times 10 times 12 times cos 68.96. So whatever you get here, you square root, answer equals 12.56. Your PR is 12.56. Okay, next, how about angle SPR? Yeah, angle SPR. So your angle SPR here, we can use sine rule, right? So my sine rule, sine of SPR divide by opposite side 12. Use sine 68.96. You divide by 68.96. The opposite side is PR, which is what? 12.56. Okay, use your calculator. Sine 68.96 divide 12.56 multiply by 12. Whatever I get, shift sign, answer equals 63.09. SPR is 63.09. No problem. Lastly, to find area of pentagon. A pentagon is this one, the shaded pentagon, PQTRS. So basically, you take the big triangle minus the small triangle. The big triangle, we already know the area is 56. But I do not know the small triangle here. But we can find them. Okay, we find QR first. QR is your PR divided by 2. Yeah. Oh, sine SPR divided by 10. Okay, sorry. So that means this angle is different. Huh? Okay, thank you. Come, let's do this again. Sine 68.96 divide 12.56 multiply by 10. Shift sign, answer equals. You got this answer, 48. 48.00. Okay, yeah, correct. 48.00 if you round off. Okay, 48.00. Okay, this one will be 6.28, right? 6.28, nice number. So let's use Heron's law or Heron's formula. Find the semi-perimeter. 4.5 plus 7.5 plus 6.28 divide by 2. Okay, use your calculator. 4.5 plus 7.5 plus 6.28 divide by 2. I should get 9.14. Then find our area. Okay, let me continue here. Area is square root 9.14. Take the difference between 9.14 and 4.5, 9.14 and 7.5, 9.14 and lastly 6.28. Okay, come, let's use your calculator. This 9.14 is your answer button, right? Okay, we're going to take square root, answer, open bracket, answer minus 4.5, answer minus 7.5, and answer minus 6.28. So this will give us 14.10. 14.10. Okay, we're not done yet, guys, because we need to find what? We need to find area of pentagon, the yellow part. Yeah, the big triangle is 56. This 56 is given. You minus 14.10. So what is the difference? 56 minus 14.10. You should get 41.9. Yeah, 41.90.
If this video helped you, give it a like. Let me know in the comment what topic you want next. You can get my additional mathematics books on Shopee or Lazada by searching Teliti, or check out my e-course and classes for full guidance. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.